Hello, it's Neil Jenkins from Jenkins Electrical Maintenance Services. Okay, we've come to the end of a rewire we've just been doing the last few days. It's a lived-in rewire. It's most of it's gone surface mounted, which has been a nice little job. Everything's done in trunking. Just back to Quinetics. We use Quinetics on this job to make the lighting easier, stop the damage down to the light switch points and that sort of thing. And some new modules. I did look up for these modules and had a look at some of the other guys' videos, but nobody seems to have done a video on these dual channel units yet. So I thought I'd jump in the chance, and I'm going to show you. I put the dual channel units into use and see how they work basically. And it's been really good and saves a lot of space. So I'll flip the camera around and I'll go over it. I have a unit upstairs in a cupboard for where the immersion tank is, which again is doing the 2 bedrooms, bathroom and landing upstairs. Then downstairs here we've brought everything into this one. So we've got kitchen and hall, and we've got lounge 1, lounge 2. So basically the way these work, instead of having live and neutral out, you've actually just put 2 lives out, which is channel 1 and channel 2. So very much similar to the normal ones we use, but this just gives us, rather than ending up with a big massive box with 4 units in, we've managed to compact it down to just 2 units per floor. So, which has been absolutely brilliant. So basically, okay, so to run through this, you've got your 2 channels. So basically all you do with the normal button, you press this twice, and if you can see there, it lights up and gives us a red light. If you press it twice again, come on, the label over the top of it. Okay, that's now gone to a blue light. So that's your 2 channels. Try this one, it might be easier to see on this one. Lights are not showing up very well on this. Let me turn my light away. There we go. Turn the lamp away, you can see the light's a bit better. Okay, so right, so we got the blue channel, press it twice, and we got a red channel. So you got red channel on, and as you can see, and blue channel on. So red off, twice, we've got blue. And we can switch blue on and off. So that's basically how they work. So all you literally do is just press it twice onto a channel. So all I've done, like the hallway one, I've got a switch at the top of the stairs and a switch at the bottom of the stairs. Quinetics just programming as normal, so you'd have your two switches on the hall. So let's go for that one. So just about it. So that's our hall off and hall on. So that's how you can just about see the blue light there. So you get on the channel you want. As normal, press and hold it for 3 seconds. With the blue channel, it's the blue light that flashes. Well, normally we used to waiting for the red light to flash. So when it's on red channel, you get a red flashing light. When it's on blue channel, you get a blue flashing light. And then all you do is you press your switches as normal, they program straight in, and then if you press and hold it again, program your second switch in, or third switch, whatever, how many you want on it, and then it's all set. So they are really good sort of time saving and space saving units for use. Okay, so that's running through that. That's all for now. I'll see you again soon.